National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County and north central Illinois, east central Oakle County and north central Illinois until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7 o'clock p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles east of Stillman Valley, or 9 miles southeast of Rockford Airport, and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Kirkland Malt, and Kingston. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.